Yo, ablade abi ni call me ye Banga TV no. Kaji ona mi bia na tamaboni ona nse mfoni woye La Magdan Town Park no AstroTurf no ji ni woyo na gbeke na shine ni woke be no ni ta lo no ni damo Magdan ni jono be woye bia na wokle ba na sandegba se pe ne wonu numu wemoyin ekome nyo ke etekome ni ji hie ya sanjin apai ni wabasimo ni Banga TV watch wo benke numu ekope koni ame jale mi fio ame ha wokweloi eja ke gadangbe etwa no jino ni se ni wonye wo ke wonabo gadangbe fomo bi ni obo ohewo moden wo chi obenke obo ni osmo ni mambi hu anabo ni ji gadangbe bi hu anye ni anabo ni amena oni femo ke ha woseko hewo ha hewo machima benke ne ke domowulu ne koni nkele ashna echenkra ka ashon Banga TV no ji ni oyo bomoden kejo subscribe ko no ya YouTube kono ya subscribe wo ya Facebook wo ya Instagram ko te Twitter ho Banga TV wo ya jena kan no acho mi ni papo ka ashon mimba no yo be ablade abi tamoboni ncho hie nkenye wo ke the minchole the right hand man of Mr. Collie wo UMP we mo ncho hie ngi no fe no e bi enema chima benkele kon le denche echon we be e ba Banga TV no shkome pen chi ke ha wo new followers ke viewers wo ba ni echon wo lenche be ko ni agbene echon we me nchu wo cha wo we mo no mo fa ne wo mba manye yo de
manye abla onyemi no ni papo
biane Obaiwe on behalf allowing the steps of Dr. Magdan. Before Danny Obabon we must money ochon ominto monoji koni many ko obo amena amele ake ke papa ne ke Magdan ke ne ke be that is what it is.
I told me Jonathan you not Accra ni keba Magdan Saji Amiye I'm part of the communication team. In actual fact I'm his spokesperson. Okay, alo be ina yulo ekojibe ke ba oga pupa na no ke eni twumo eni twu fe ke ni be ba na fio na fo no ma ke be tomo dide je fami ni ba kebu no ni ya no ba wala shilemi
okay yo no oyura don ke oba je shishi bomo wulu den cheji no mu ni ke ejimoko ni in this very short period of a life ke oga o US and here ole no ya mo ke jishin ole no ya gbe na ye shin ofa ne in a nutshell wo ba smon wo jishin few at least we can start from somewhere what your doctor or be about a personal life a upbringing allo a beginnings ke ba o mi so ba le no go fi bin e gbomo le ba o mi se o ba le no go fi
yo o la don ni papo doctor ha o le o ake ado da ne ha mo fe mo enele ake ke boni je no kole eji esi tototo boko ba ka shi afole with a silver spoon in his mouth ake shi mokoni tafache je shikami ehe jole nakano nyemi ne ke grow alo ke da ke ba she e ba she shi boni wo jo school shishi ni otuashi ye wo she baba wa me nakano le wo je shi ahun ehe mi amoke few ka ba school na at a point in time ni she ne ba university po ye the both university me was say drop out alo be pa ya ejake ke ba ya be le se ne ko yi gele je ba ko yi cap le be na ka ba say to no go nechu ni e ke fund le dinte education e ke wu school ya yi no mo ni ke ko akọ yi no ba shi school mi kwa university ni e ba concentrate on e ba tuni ko ni ke ko akọ yi ni ke ko akọ school she fe here pa school no ka shi eko e se ba te back to the classroom no di ba play to baba oni yo ka shi ko le yake ke ba marketing ni ba ni bi baba mi ka se ni ke she here àwọn iye doctor ko ti dimpa e uji fe je ni e ata e le fe mo after Ghana after University of Ghana le ko le ti dimpa oni afi courses baba ono e ji bogo le dinche e ye bu ehi beni bu amokoko abe emi ehin ni eni ete ka shele
okay ni oyira don wa shi o ha bi no ko wa kishi le numu na egbe tuntun ye gadang bi shipon ne no jihe ni eje
o ka obalane je tetenteni we
Okay.
kada be form of be crown je he babawo ni nyensene na nya wo bo ofe wona he da atole akele afo ya afo nyela ni daily a high go na afo ni si agbawe manyeji imam enyawo ni fole wo je boni keba le kadangbe ne kadangbe form of be crown ni
okay shi wonu aka ise gbe mu je wadangbe
na ka twa ka obe kadangbe form of be crown ni na ka mo ni jo eko egoro ma mi debe show ma mi o papa jebi na ka loko
okay
ko bala ne shawo ni je la ne je tetenteni we je la ne
ni after school what we o ton wo shije mi be ne mi ehin o fe mo after school wa gbe ne ke gbegbele mo ba business je rin
wa je tumo shi
wo o ha bi a business
ni tumo shishije
ko ni eyo le shije ke bia ne ni ke she
yo Dr. Daniel Macaulay no for chole Magdalo na kalele to bani ke bana le to ni Magdan group of companies and one ni mene ni ifiji ke igbeni epele je fe ne 1999 ni jibe afia pe o hai ne mai ne kenehu jibe ni eje ntumo na shishini to bani oliye eje as a total logistics and transportation company. I can do money work into the transport business, the total logistics, tibe freight forwarding, agribias, both sea and land ports. Nda ko ba kwa ke ye show here. Lele ninyo le jininyo sheni ke nibi uji ba. Ke nibi ni cho ko lele ni awele. Ke ko lele ni bi ni ke ba. The journey it set itself up for such a challenge. Ni ejishishi few keba she mene no wo na ne ni nkabo yo ne kebale Ghana. He is the #1 freight forwarder total logistics company kebale me ni chona ni chumo fe ni mo ni kabi ko mi ni kebale Africa ne fe on the whole of West Africa, Sub-Saharan Africa, Africa menyo hi leji ekemoko she West Africa ne fe leji money. He had the biggest total logistics and transport company. Wow. All the 17 states of West Africa. No, okay, we Magdan Sani, a transportation business. No, before Bamba, before you Mukomari again, he's a mogul, a coming economy. I mean, he's a primus inter pares. Okay, a ballet, total logistics and transportation business. Yeah, both sea and air freight can be there. Le ekami ekomi
okay o don wa agbene the get freight logistics ka na me ne wo le wo de ka se mo ya agengbe wo say wo no wo use we ko it no ni legit is a very broad sector
it easy no no ni bi no na ni college nke ba cargo titiri ke ni bi ka gbe de court wo seaport se ni do to le wo habo nibi na kemba akeko mba ne ko le tele wo kete ke ne lu na na ichoke nibi na nibi efe mi choke o kete ke ni na sorry no ehi akaba choke ba na nibi ye ke any other thing akeba no na fe o te kami mi choke ji the leading
name
yes when it comes to both sea and freight and logistics. That's total logistics. Total transportation. Ekubaba, mokweni ishobe, man. Burkina Faso besho. Keba fete ni bi ne baya. Mini kebaya. Todu lu kebaya. Hey kubesana kecho. Ekule wa shila fane ye kene bi. Fe no ni ndino ni. Wote chuo. Ya kego to Mali ishobe jeme. Ego to Tchad ishobe jeme. Okame to no ko budu. Ni baba te ba fete ba se jeme. Naka ni chumo ndino ni wote. No ko Africa ne egbendi baba o ko te to Sierra Leone, Liberia, mito Burkina Faso ke kokume. In fact, Magdan chumo ye tele fe zenema tabu video kokote no CNN then te ba interview le ya mele amese na interview mo kake ama ko shishi fe da no owie no ko ni bemi ni ama his ke iba de na fe descarga destination no ba na le ye ke he ni tumo yo is over 2,000 akpe enyo no man na edi chumo
professional destinations
says yo Ghana Limited is into oil and gas Electrochem Ghana Limited
okay comito what bank agent na
oba agent be Electrochem Ghana Limited
okay
corporate sea defense war na fi hey kume to anumabo no ye wo take pa na no nji central region ko anumabo sea defense war 5 kilometers kese na ji money ifio in a fair no a lot of nichuma baba only care bale not only destination to one care boy is in over 2,000 destinations across the globe. Ghana ne destinations below the boom shaka ba here kan then he compliment no ko bua fe na is in over 2,000 destinations.
Wow. and money achon he's not even up to 60 years.
Afi ne anyo de terminani afi nyuma enu the 50th birthday and oje bukuni je gbekeni you know pa onu wa se
yes with the achievement and quality and wa the kegbe meji me ni ahisanji ni ebanga tv dey pay was money what je ku ochonbo oni afa ni bo hu ife ni ota ofen boni shin le yo ke habo e ife ma keke je oboyo mo to aka na je sise lenche anwo ete school e no no chole drop out he had to drop out ni ekwe enichumo ni na sise fajogba ni ya back to school that ni mene yo wa denche edro le ne wo ba cha wo saniba no ni note ye bi ene ni ofa ne ke wo ba ya wo hin ke je enichumo ine ahe hu e ife ma keshin efi ono ni be chole philanthropy ji osomo ko echon me wa me ni yo pin mo me kan bi ke wo ba bi dani ma yaje 50th birthday no che inu ake ngwetu ofane nu jinu ninu ake enye ni matela ke adopt we can be 50 aji ani eji anokwale
of course afile Kebriski hotel ni 50 ele e birthday people no ni si e kwa me fi 1000 plus o mo e kwa me bi ko won ke annual entrepreneurship challenge ne po na fi yo kashika de ke wo bola ke fi yo Ghana entrepreneurship challenge if your program
le you're in charge
le a program ni initiative ni afi yo ni ona lopa kafa obi mi about philanthropism make be adoption can be yes on his birthday alone adopt me 50 before then yearly adopt more money a tertiary level me 50 then adopt a make the gbidi in adopt me na jabe po acho kashi and wala be friend that is kashi be na magbe tertiary na magbe no to university allo 30 years of education na ba ya be do ma be no na ka ka gbe igbe school na ni share manyama kwe ma na nchumo ni mecha makwe efe ne fe ni je ko bepe ko ya ke ga o makwe kata gbe shi eko Ghana opane no efe tetanu se obi about philanthropism allo the philanthropy ni ni efe ni bole jo so mopo me efe be ake ene ko sa wata a whole day no ko ni ko si be akake asino papa eji shi fio no anya wo kai po e mo ka ba hwe ma hi ko we 2017 donc for afi jo pepe mi ne eji skede la ne okurafoi kenkla na afi la wuro mo etu se tutu gbe no fe okurafoi 1500 at that time ne gba ne fe gbe ke bi 1000 a birthday a party ha me afi mi ni ji be blow na yeli mi mi do e ke wo blow na mi like okurafoi ani ye mobo enye kwa me da ne si lon ka che me ke bia mi e kae ame ko ni fi o ni yo le hu e ke cha me se na me ke do nya me pi ka gbo asha me pe we ku hie e pa ame no we ji enyo e ke wa je the following year 2018 e ba increase number to 3,000 plus 2019 le bobo 2019 we famous about 5,000 in that fact was start with 4,000 we fe carpet to 4,000 she no for no to like crashes ababa me the wo ko kwe shia na ni me na water no feel no ye BFA yi obo ni me pana ba grace occasion mo to honorable Jogati ni mene the minister of railways ebabiye president special advisor ke board chairman of Ghana Aviation Service nji Oboshi honorable Oboshi Sai Kofi ba me pana la manche ye iba me babie la sikitele ba MC at that time but around much ministers can be witness occasion any if for software as a full find the solemn programming ni wo fe no fast forward in 2019 2020 if 2020 covid or 2021 in afine e ke wo e birthday ni fe ma ke no mo fe mo le na fe o de ka ko gbele na mama yemi oduku fitai o baba nto da sobo ke obiski takpo no omo da doko ni jino chole lamle ne yemi abo amu ni ti samu ne abo ne macro ni sadi ni oyo ne for keni bi fe yemi fe ma ke gbele ko na to o to aje ni me ti sa odi enchepu no de to ne ke ti wo e ke yu fatalo ke bi ke kufi o le che ya fe ne me fe ni ko na ko jona ile ko jona mo afile wa fe ni ko fa si ye nyumbo hiye ipa lo ni na agbe lo ni na efim na agbe no aka fa 37 military hospital e wo fe ke babie ke de hingbe tuwi no fe no ka pharmaceutical department to find dey fe mu anake shike ale kwa ke ha meni ba ke mo fe mo ba aba screen bu aba kwabu ke oti oba flu na ba wu na ba jani abu to ba aba wo ji ne create ake babie ni ake fitahi aha okrafo ile ni babie no se to boni ke bobo ke biele dane eke chiro na je bia ete UPSA o UPSA school there surprisingly e ha talk again ni egbena ni ekiabe Johnny kana ga department ka wa mama he pass ne ni school there if you get university neighbor ni government take government trino na me cha be benkele eyi ebu ame ka ba fila ni bi ni if you keke o ke mo wi to an gbeku na ka oti wo northern region bene ntake wo northern hemisphere Ghana ntake upper east upper west bene timpani ko she district ni magana so le tion ya na me school asha school ya na ka me bokenkele asha chole ni emusu shale body was school said yo
remote areas
sutu ke if something ke what me need to move on na my day e ga ka asha no ku na ke ba ke chon na te ni asha ni kwe e domo na dia e ba she ba dwe e kodo mo je no ni ke ba ma school hi ya o mo ne ko se tion akegbe Magdan DA primary and JSS e ama ultra modern school e ha me jeme ni kokwe emi furniture suppose se kokro engineer jeme bodi enchepu wana he wo mi she e ama ya tio no aka fa ko ba not region itself but Dagbo le amefele the group na of Gabon ndi be Dagbo state fe Dagbo ma fe leji ameno ya manche because tapa is telling anything you on any Tampani district there abela machole naba pini na mama shishi yomo chomo tomo bef de moko de tomo beto no ya manche ni kono ne irafia be throughout their lives me te jaba tomo ministers me te jaba tomo kwa na tione ke agbabo history ene to je moko to ba ko na ke ba ese ni afinu ko na kai ke ha as a social intervention ni efike ke la ke afina ka no kikie okay no je ba ko nyekura no du ba ke me enwe ba eteke ba wuje na kwa na iya bu anye ni fi igwina ehi eji ni iya
wow anyami orencha onu fe lele sana at one particular day one particular show ke ha somo ko na eji o ke chon me ni wo ba cha wo sane gba no ojula wo to angbesan chi a business is one no ko call Accra Great Olympics one mako can call Accra Great Olympics mini win the koniblo mini call your child.
You be our back is sporting activities.
Okay.
Okay. Ghana no only Ghana tennis, lawn tennis. To be precise, say no me come back 80 Sami. Kamba early 90s say Ghana, Macho Africa fair number 1. Ghana and the point about Ghana number 3 or number 2 or Africa number 1. Our Ghana Babomode ba say Euro Africa zone 3. You work at the likes of England. No me team Hinman make any be England. What come your group? Me aba to bono le successive governments ke mena ke de woni bi ha mena me kokoeno. Sports ke bi na kokoeno du Ghana tennis ba drop. Those time go back at the likes of Francophonie, Kojo Tisu, Note do wona, Kendo wo kenina ko do wona me ke bi. Padi me amame wo Ghana tennis ka she ne ba she. Na me era ba ho. Na jeda kuma era ba ho. Woni no kodo. Ghana tennis ba te as low as the Sheko in Africa nekeke wa affiliation people or near pay to ITF or ko aje Ghana be the tennis me. I want to see Dr. Dana Macaulay back there be unless more tennis say e atwa fefe ke ju en chile because back be small tennis e twa ne ba momi mene ko ni wo tennis o be she no jina here ba pay fe e twa tennis the Magdan Challenge Cup every year. Atwa Africa, I invite to Kenya, or every part of Africa.
Wow.
But they host to I'm a worry, I'm a yearly affiliation fee, airfares. When you play, no more Ketoni, no more officials, Baba, equal in them a fair no. Come on the sporting side of his life. If you're in a fair, come over channel, or like a Gadangwe, Ketrino. No 5 solid years. Gadangwe Challenge Cup. Gadangwe. Then a tournament, every year.
Okay, tennis say
I mean, football. Okay, ATCL Silent Park, no Kinkle. Okay. The following year, I tried Jebe. The third year, 2017, I can buy him what I'm going to go on the Numiko Bakabia Sakura. Nishiak and Motomolu, your be. Ni Inkake. The last edition after, ye be ni what try share with guest of honor, the former president, Flight Lieutenant Rollins, the late president, T.J. Rollins, was the guest of honor. Rollins, a lap of honor, able park and care, Benny Ejibeke, ni issue. South Labadi, became in Yawuyo, if I show a beer in here. Ni a greater, ni se ben Dr. Dana call him a speech. Mekona Grace occasion, a youth sports minister, late Honorable Mandedi, Nidi Domeladi, MC Yelane, the regional minister who are around, you then in check Eliabushi Cycle, and a little about Lamanche, nature and when they get to media bomb, they be no Ewoshiko, ne will share, and it's like a Onupana here, a year Malish, don't share the way, if I quit, a yaka, a Chucky Park, and one I'm able to cafe Astro Death. I feel a modern edifice. They buy one night or share national teams can be many war. The journey machine. Exactly 2 years they will share. Many now a fee. They Nibico a pony but to one naji. In Najana ke. About your ship can be challenges and divert pipes. I divert electricity. Poles can be a afia and a half penny in many now 1.5 years. 90% of the work here. Afi when I do wanna ni obido ko Accra Great Olympics. Ko kwe Mogotomo Nick Amatefiu, His Excellency ni Amaka Amatefiu Amami Olympics. Ni is part of the shoulders of Olympics. No be no na no only your training. It can hard. Only your no fair no be. Abi am fair be training here. Ke 2019 league ba no. Na tranquil league be a only field a training cannot find no. No okay over the roller coaster story. Allo modern Olimpo. Because first every season calling league. About 4 hours relegation. I'm a battle of relegation. I'm a job. Then I'm a fit at a flat in Banagbe. Skebin no live here. Need to enjoy the back. Now I'm a good pitch. Now I'm a training there. Onake no efita factors no efita factors ni affect good performance the positive forward march no gonna ya graduate Olympics here
Wow.
dey no pe ke uti tashi Star Park mo fe wole bon demeyo no ngwe buti na kan no ngwe na ko yo e chonde ultramodern stadium no let afi bi ekra ni bi na fi o deme
mi tashi Star Park
of course afi poni attack swimming pool lahu after here ke ameni un silio ko kwe Ghana me peace mo swimming no fe ka e twi no ake e ba fi no e chen to bi no di fi o ami abagbele tashi no lahu na je no pe e ko ke twi no East Lagos ni e ba fi adi no mu so le gonda no te fi ko ewu e kwa gada me na ke sani ayi aboa no ko kwe every year man cho le twane ni mi ade analomuti ni mene ibone lomuti twa Black Star e wo best player mene iye Black Star Anam Benson ke wojiku oti wobeku bobana e foni maje ke jesse MSK Zelina twa Slovakia e Black Star mele 2017 le best player ye bie the following year very love afienyo eye abruchi e afiete na mo achere Black Star 2020 no if you the gadan be tournament ne ye gadan be pane no fe ni if oni ikebo talent ni ejipo ni ko they have been hidden they can ye bo ameni uni fe bo lo mo ko na me kwa mi ka atwa me na players ye mi ko ba ko ni mo je shike me akuchi edwe e bati akuchi paanyo after no atwa no kagbe afie ni wo na December last year 2020 16 communities ni make ipa
enu mo wa bacha sporting benevolence no
yeah wele baba we sporting benevolence ni ke bo yo ada iske ada west ona ke fe one stretch no ni mi ke okwe keje elwak no ji University of Ghana Lagos Tatan tracks ko be ko ina duo fo ye still no anu duo fo tata no ko be ko ole aka ni nke bo yo Electrochem Ghana Limited ni ji magdan gbele ekomi company ekomi ni ntuni ye jengba ekwe ada iskadan west je ake mini wo Isite Stadium ko je ni ba ye bua because kije any chene o ke stadium ko ni Tatan tracks ye ekpe ahun ke bia on ke cho fila ni ja voter region ahun ka shi Togo border na to ni ja flower o ke Tatan tracks ekpe ye ko no etashi on the drunk ba ye bua ni fe ne ke no ko ni ke bo we acquire a very big stretch of land about 10 hectares kese ni ba ma football pitch astroturf ne ke no e ha je gbe biye ni no na stadium le ke me ba fi Tatan tracks e we complete Tatan tracks
professional one
400 square meters only ke ado for like what the one is 400 meters ni amanya ke into sporting over amanya ke fi a lot of activities no say dey no pe e ba ma other facilities ye stadium emi ne ejomia ke e ba fi academy ejeme no other stadium e oni yo be he enyu e ba fi ko ada east ke fi ko ada west no ceremony ambana ye jengbe e fa babawo de ka no ka fi na me nanu chumo eje shop na ba fi eje academy about the a priorities kengle even though academy affair Ghana fair be any no ne fe la ne ke ko kwa bi national teams friend wo your trainer bi junior na di otie Black Stars ba trainer na Ethiopia ya try Cape Coast men national team train ko bi Black Stars Black Meteors local Black Stars Satellite Starlet yeah national teams fa bi at a point in time my trainer bi even the Moroccan female national teams ameba biye ke Niger ke other national teams fe ba biye to bono leg aka great Olympics bi ameyo ke other clubs wo yo ne ke okwetempo ne machine no Zelina Africa ke team ku e be shin play bi o fe wa o sports development o no ko to ne ke ada both east and west ni expert tentacles akwanya ba fe aba ko no fe no e chencho ni tumo ba take off gidi
ni ofana masimo no bote songo project mi fio ni wo kwelo ni ko wo amenye amenu ni bi fio ofana mini gino ni inspire no mu mini gino ni wo le wale ake okay mfene ngenjo mo ba ya nwo hu ya keke no wa mine ni afile do gba nwo ma bi ba nya na hise mini wo le wale
yo ben ke ba ke le ke bale oto dairy ake ba de la lu ba ko ko ni aya ba put je ni ko ni challenges ko je ni isa ke no ko je ni egu no ke no ko to je ni ejaji ni machine o fe wole ake afi my age 40 years is still counting in the very late 40s and 70s ba ni someone yi sabi ba keshi na early 80s emi na ko ka ba shi mene anako buku anako company ku anako buku ba gwo hindo ni ba kwa kengu ni yo azeba ke draw ga shipone no ni adame buku baba ni ba kwa chami enu tumomi ke ni fe mo ni adame ke kame ana hise oduba mokobako kame ne ba momi e ba fele boni sumo ke nwe kame ne ba fitimo anyasa ni je moko ni je nu tulo na le left from right flat it on lo fo ba ke o ba ka ke is already into oil and gas ke about aviation business eyemi o je moko ni pako ba bote ntumo mi ni na akete parliament ni sa mo fe mo akai so na akai ne ni is mo ntumo echu no dubai wo ni a bid for the job akete parliament the parliament je moko me yo jebe the party kometo yo je si me baba oji me ni yo jebe no tell ratification na rectify parliament fair tashi both the minority and the majority they would delay the situation ke popoteni to ne chule bejam to ne to ne chu ke no ni fefe yeli ke buamo no ni fefe mi ti mi ko yeli ke buamo ni eto ke ba ina woni mimme adame ke popa no gadame titre woni by popular acclamation or by popular consensus party enyo fe both minority and minority majority and minority when my consensus like unanimously for 15 years ni 50 years after 50 years abasa subject to renewal akaya ni acha ni ko gboja ni ba tunu blind because government tension won na bia ne aka hime YEA application flow for police 5,000 slots me 103,000 dimene e apply for no ke mo ba jafa ni ba mu ni nke bu yo nitumoni e ajishishe jeme ami visit alone ni ke he jake ifeni blind ko blind ni yo adan akutuemi ke gba no less than 6,000 workers me ananichumo yes both directly and indirectly ake casual workers me ni ba na batele onwe eto obodo ko ba fe no ti akos ke
ape
ipa sare your 6,000 is still count
many ke hope den che
no ko ba chu je me ko ba changu many ntele many drive to ni ke bo you earth moving equipment ke trucks ke ni jede ke tene professional so atome
wow learning on the job
me construction ko ba ya they already made
yes
many amelomo professionals ni pay ame professionals say they am she ke me woni a chose ame ye nutu mo hisale machines operate mo mene ke do na ko le pube nutu mo na pube after 10-15 years so decide ko ship we wanyo ke ya heko ni ono ne na nutu mo ni okachu no say je no pe ni holoi betegbe ni ya mami mano ke fire na ke ni bi ni oje akwa ni oje me maji ateme ashari di palaces ke ni bi fe a project lineup ke a program ne fe mi ake lele o maji ateme ke ni yo palaces ke she o chana sasai de gbe ko memo e ke ba fi ni shi fe ke tun ni ekomepo
systematically
ni tefia ka kuti numa fe ni shewdi numa fe ebo modern efe here to bone tetion e ha na school there ebo modern e fe noko shamasoko wose ke e bepo akeka ilake oblanu ko onjo wo fomo bi Dr. Daniel Macaulay eba manemi enne kene eba legacy ne ba shi ale ba fi yawo dani eshiwo no ne mi to boni obi mi ko ba bo ti so woni an yo mo le baba oni shi bo la ke fe ke otie ke no cho le buruka ba na mo ko ke yes beni wona le judea wo le pokumo ni le mi agbara na mi aba ma won ta wona me te shi igi Tobias ke Sambalat begeni shi fese ni phobia na ka bi no ni mi aye me ni ko ba yebu o ma amete te sha me shi me ni ete shi le mi ane wo ye mo ke li ja ke shi boni te about 80 to 90% muna ke me ni yo ma na ke lele papa le ni ba ke ni chumo ni ba ni electric chemical limited ame ye yi to papa ame hawo ke ni bi ane mo fia mo kra ehwe Paul ake ke fe kra ake man fe sumo mo man fe hu enye mo no boni e yo le ji ake be
ake o so lo ape ko enye lo won
na kai ni no abenja me na no ya fiu no ya fiu amla lo hu ye bua aka me sensitize me no no yo ke anye me ga me fe bi mo ne ake Ebanga TV ni me fo ko mo ka mo fo ba ko ka o like pe bo mo de no piti o shabo share mo fo ma nu Dr. Daniel Macaulay sanine ka do pa ne yo e ga ke gbe ma ni sai fia ko covid ne mi yele ke bo mo ne ba fa itoji e de ko me je no di te ni bi ye mi ni e jira ke ni ke ha me mini yitu papa mo ni ne ke yitu papa la chiyo se ayo abua apiale ko ni gangan mi e ko mama papa ni ebu
oyira don wa wo mabi ona yo mokuku de ke so won na yo mo ne no won tun ye janji no shi mabi ona yo mokuku ke ba ha me ni se ne Gadangbe Youth Association bi hu bua me hina no kwale me ni te o shamishi o Dr. Anokwale ame hu ama keke ame ni bi na ma nyi
ama me te shamishi ameshi na kai me
o fa ne won wo prama no bia na o yue san she o ba bi o yue mo bi o ko no ko ba ha me ko me ni dofo cho no ko misled me ko me ni yue mo ko me ni akepa no mo he wo no na yu ama me simo na me no kra po yue mo no ko bi o yue san ni cho ake ma ne eye hin shika mu ne yeso mo ke ha Gadangbe anye ni
non to ba ka ba ja ke me ni ngbomi to ke me ko mi fe ye Ebanga TV no ma ke ni ja ke ni na ni wo twi nda ne mo ke ne ko ni tishie ne so le a ni pa yo afa ye Dr. Daniel Macaulay wala sile akashi eye ebu ale emu emi ni yi to pepa ne yi Gadangbe fe abamle no ni jenyo me ko me ke me fi e man se ni na ka meba ni ameba de ito papa me yin NGOs ko me nu wole nu wo so mo tu ameta na meba na ma sha je ko le ye foye ni bi amenye bi pa enu mo na nya ma ko me ni ameshia e ko le egbla be bi ni ya school ye bi ke image na me ke ya US NGOs abe fe NGO na ma yo shika ye man se bi ade na me yo na me pick emi fi o be ju emi fi o ke ba na me kwa slam ana ya dano na ke me ni sumo ni neke no ko ba wan se Dr. Daniel Macaulay ba ni atanwo dugba na afinu fonu dugba bia ne ko ya amedi na mbasha ina ji onwoye aji onwoye na me fele basa na me sha mfonyi na yi na me ke amanse na me ka bani e be fomadi na me ji na me ko fio ka ba pa ma na ameyeje there are filthy and nefarious activities have been uncovered. No, with Dr. Daniel Macaulay, amena access care do careful do. We mo ne. Then say na go back cry. I'm a fear on am blamo kutomo. Kevin Taylor. I'm a wo ye mo name. La huni de bi o le heku. A one-sided story. E bi mi po e ba ni e femi na pa ke any le ke ni nkese. Kene ke hie gbele kese. Mi to akeke okwe ifoni po mi alo wo mene egbele mo machine mi nkeni no ba kwe ni internet no ba no mo ni Dr. Daniel Macaulay CNN po kwe no tumo ife across the world e je ko je nefe ambagana to daily amivatle they flew all the way from the US of A nambagana na matawo esegbe akeme modi ife so many interventions like I mean like a local eche there be a flash in the pan mo ba chiko me hye nyu anu e no ka ba ta ogbe si me ne bo ke bie na consistently ke di chele jina e ye be na ate kwa mi ku e ke ko fitai be na ye ko mi e ke ko fitai kwa me be me gbomo ne they came all the way from USA na my interview le no exception si ne na fiake je no ko ni aketo ka ba chomo no na me ni ya na Kevin Taylor le hunle ni bi pepepe majority is etwa ni bi baba o papa is etwa ni ke ba fi ke nyi ni ke ba fi so ke ben ke Dr. Daniel Macaulay yake I'm not saying he's untouchable but many his mama kake his without blemish when it comes to social and philanthropy interventions he's spotless. He's spotless Paco Krabe Mishiko Krabe what say le be feel afi kome afi enyo before bana nini ke baba Dangme East ke Dangme West.
Wow. Dr. Daniel Macaulay historian there is a lot in the bag chi be no fe no ke be se pe ne airline no ko wonu no ko ni jet ko Ghana fe ho ni se ne Zion Felix e fagbe nle he ne ya e tap plane mi ne e ke camera asha ni ba post keke ni Ghana bi anapo ake yes Dr. Magdan Macaulay Dr. Daniel Macaulay ni a private jet ne no mini wole he wale ke bujen gbe hu
ben ke ba ke shi he's into both sea and freighting and total logistics transportation business ke bale housing business lewe le hu ebotemi deep she no be me aircraft ka Ghana ne is the only person ni license to operate private jet but ojuba meeting meko the only personality ni acquire license ni accept ni ale ni iwa can operate private jet
of an na yes she ba me she Ghana like me private jet
operation no about private jet on a business scale.
Okay, on a commercial level.
Yes, he's the only accredited personality and a license to operate private jet. African business is a famous no conference ko to money what we don't like Kenya was where Africa Heads of States in meeting.
Yes.
Ye be concerning ECOWAS, Sajinke, the coup in Guinea and other matters. But when you buy the foreign minister, a top private jet quickly, if you know, no man, I will businessmen PE. Look at the conference Korea, look at no concerning fee. Instead of what you have some time, if I'm a private time. Play my baby Pele, out of ball Black Stars. When I tap behind private jet in the France, that was in 1994. Qualifiers for 1996 World Cup in Ghana here qualified. They had private Tony Eboa. One and Sulali Mutari. The other businessmen hire. No equatorial and they can move. Fair with J. Hebomu. Allo a fe the Tefe. Allo a quite license say they can she a what Ghana, he put Ghana on the tourism map. Ujuba Ghana tourism map Egbeshi. When they were encouraged war inner city travels po Ujuba. How much money when you are there South Africa, there Kenya, get a crew few men 5, 6 men 8 ko family. Ni tafati mwe wedi ne ya to ne ya ko zoos ke konu ke ni bi ni o jeme. Ke ba ya ba 3-4 days ko ya yi eko seba na kanuko wo kene mefa ni ne fe no nya kwana ke pay tax tax nete ni indu ne o mami efe ne ke ske ko ya mi e ke wa Ghana no ya agbere Ghana hi nyam Ghana hi baba nyam ye man say aka that's freedom for business to drive lebie aka to enjoy ye ke ani chumo bibi ke ni ankran kon chumo aka mokopo ye Ghana plenty di na chumo nsala na akwa private jet. Go pictures in the job. Don't New York. But we play in New York. Make businessmen come in. Yana businesses kasani ba no. Tobani kebo Dr. Daniel Macaulay dan we drule. Ni ejumoyi kashi. no ta ko be tashi ka gbasa de be gbasa de 3 5 7 minutes ewie social intervention ko mo na ba ni gba ball ke ni bi asani ni zana ngala nkwa ball che kwa Ghana Ethiopia game no bon ko ball no ball sa de Black Star no ne agba egbe wakata mi fe mo ni ejuna ene osani we come in country no so that's another long term plan o fe academy o fe adagbe ko mi da igbe ke ni bi ne gbe fe awaje o la ke kusena tuwe je gbeje ke o le je gbeje na kusena tupi ana Thomas step ati mi baba o je John boy me ne ke ni bi na ma fe academy dane ko to le basani jeli ke bo mo saneka papa le tui no no wo je wo bo ale ke fe ke o kai le o tai ko ko wi no ko ni je na ka ne ko mati bole because na ko hu ni o do mo she ya lo be na wo da no gbele wo shina wo fo no ba ne ebi ere no nka we ba ne ya no kwale e fe be chobu me na mo ni esa do ebi apoye mi je nu ba na be ke bi under 7 a won ka ba shi under 17 under 7 ka shi 10 be train ko 12 to 14 15 be 16 17 be lebie na se division be ba training free e jibe ke bi ke volleyball ni oba ko ba na me papa o ye bi poasi kasi be ke meji e pa ke fa ke mo pa wo keke apa mi na ma cha America se mo no yesia all these are just but a few or some of the activities which are social corporate interventions ni a few ke ni bi ni eju attribute a few yakata ni eje kwami ekekio ni tesa de ko ti wo se no sa de ko hu no to no bi e to ni ke adults are always open
ani no mo egba no ko concerning the future e chonbo ale no ya ke dey dey out ni bi ya ke holomi no mo e ke holomi so shi ale no no go mi ne ko konsa bi o ko pe wota o ye
kenkle ke bale the sporting activity and the sports e ke ko bari astroturf ne mane male at least if gakka po pa identify ana ko bi ana teshi ye ko e ko nwa omu se na nko ni enwa kan pa ke ka etwi no ni efe ko efe hu e ha me keje gbetashi no na no no le inlehini e ke bi ke ba ye ba chewo le ke no ko de chebo teshi star park no na ewie eye ochienyo ni akat so de osun ke etwi no so no me okwe honestly fitameni etu ni wa ko emi your authority wanda ko hiko pote odugba because this morning fe park bibi o ko ba no so sale yo ka fe ba fe bi go school emi president bi atemponi no won kwelelo eketri no akeke Kenya Marine Drive je authorities ba fe e plans ami ga afi ko ega fa eko e fada ma no eyu ya ka bo na afi e hiko mene ka ko na no ni fe to mo enumo epa ko ifita hie ko e ba yi ebua wow agbele hu school fe mo ben se ne dexes ke ni bi ele pi ya keke school se epo dex o me ko schools ni o ene po o ele ni shi school ko ke ba fo iye o gba ne na headmaster
wow
headmaster ke ba fo iye no mabile makwe eso mo tegbe tv wa shi o gba ne no am headmaster ka assemblyman yo na kai popano ke makwe ni ameke fo iye ake na le mi ka me pa fa ameni dex no ke ba fo iye o ko na give our program say foundation no okay well Egbele foundation in deal with all these things social interventions okay agbele hu if yakashi about open a frontiers care scholarship and me yital me leni ka me school na e ko share na je ni wa no ana e kwa chono the scholarship kwani if set up ake ba mo na da fie ke pupa fe no pu e bi komi e ba ko mo igbe SHS ka le tertiary ye wa no resource egu ni ahebo ona school e ba ko ko ni okay channel ni obela or these are just a few ni ekemi bi koko na ye pipeline and as and when kekemi e so no ko ni eyibe ko e ni bi ko mi nyoko ni no ekemi chi no e na kucho na ya sani ake woda ke along the line ina me bomode wa with other social interventions can you boy call BB's company like BB's.
Well,
they are into corporate events. Can you be there? I'm sure people okay. When you have women's football, I try here. Women's football league na transfer no call. Ghana Premier Women's League. Immigration ladies, the other teams try here. I believe there were ladies no there. I'm gonna be a mission play a year boy. The fact I know if you can buy me, I made Jaffa. I mean,
over us will know how a fatal bay.
Oh, Mrs. Abigail Macaulay. Okay. Roberta Macaulay. Okay. I'm a fan. I'm Shelley. Oduba, the Shishu, one of I mean, Yamboa.
Jembe Saniele, what can no video Kulenche, it's a blame, feature, Nake, Tafachamofi, and Nuku. That's any, no few no lay and go out, Hodon of Ivy Lucusi. Come on, Finus and no Chubenkele. They blame me, Chombo. Young Belle, okay, no more. And what about Bushwa? What about Bushwa? She don't know about she will ask no last words. I am be a course and a bar, Monet, few seconds.
You don't know what I'm be jacket, Gadam to Jimmy, you are there. No be Baffy in the Salakopan Banaji. War Wakutia in Melody. My Gamma in Melody or my judge me. Kesajimba ni abomode ni boni few share ni eshamu sanayi abomode na akwe ni wo bi we ni gadan mi ajofi abele gameni ye wa ewu ni de no wo kwa other tribes e boni ameyo kawola other religions boni ameyo wo kwa tribes e kuku me boni ameyo na mi yo amebua amehi ko na nyeme igbenu ka flat ewe ni mi no te ko nye bro efo neke de nake yemi yo igbe e ba yi bo ale biale ona twinu nakai ona oma me awusa ba lo sonu me nakai ndaka dibo ni se ni gbeme adesai ayishi no na ma me yo nakai o me dani shi o me kon onye ma kan me ke ni yemi wa ni yi bo ale ko bala neke osu ke tesi me ni ho do epo kamo ko me ba e we yemi ke ba ami so me job nu ke aspane ami feel susu ami yemi bo a kenyi onyemi ganu hye ko nkomi mfa keganu hye ko nkomi mfa mene datuni tene Dr. Daniel Macaulay ne mo keganu dibo yo wa bi efe ye ego yo wo de fi boncho in your own small way enu wa le ba hye your widow's mite bo yo bua mene mo afa mene jiafa ofo ba mo gana mu ye oba wo mash twa ni magi abla
yeah Moira.
There is no other continent, I can tell you now, that is more lucrative and more upcoming and looking at the growth continent than Africa. My name is Daniel Macaulay. I'm the group chairman of the Magdan Group.
Tell us about your journey. How did you get to this point?
I've been in logistics for over 30 years. After that, I went into real estate, into private security, to hydro. We are one of the biggest hydro company in the West Africa sub-region, into salt mining.
You grew up in Ghana and you went up through the ranks of business in Ghana. How did that influence your decision-making?
Growing up in Ghana, I think made me tougher to be able to understand the terrain. And logistics in Africa had not even arrived, so the time I started, and it's still green. So it's an opportunity. I took the opportunity of the whole African continent and beyond.
Trade is increasing greatly between Africa and Asia. How is that impacting your logistics business?
It's amazing. You have no idea what is going on right now between Asia and Ghana. Talking about Ghana, Nigeria, Ivory Coast, our ports are really almost choked with containers, bulk cargo. So if you look, because of the pressure from Asia, in the West Africa sub-region, the ports are being expanded because of the pressure of business.
How is it impacting the way you do business and the speed of growth of your company?
Logistics in Africa will continue to grow because Africa, for the next 50 years, will continue to build its infrastructure. What we are doing right here is introducing another level of logistics where resources are limited, where demands are so high, and how you model your business to meet the new evolution coming in. So the impact of logistics on my business is huge.
You are the only man in Ghana who has a license to operate private jets. Talk to us about that as a business opportunity for your group.
Moving is a very huge opportunity. Right now, we're procuring many private jets. We have a lot of businessmen in the continent that now realize that, look, I can move to US, Europe, everywhere. If I move into the Magdan terminal and jump into a private jet and go and close my business deal and back. So moving from here to Senegal, moving from here to Nigeria, the Congo and the rest, the solution is what Magdan Group is bringing in terms of the private jet.
What do you hope the legacy of your company will be?
Well, we want to be a household name. We are an indigenous company, and we are determined to take that indigenization to another level. That when Magdan is mentioned, every child, every kid, everybody on the street should be able to know that this is a local company, a company who was built out of nothing. Going forward, Magdan Group is moving into industrialization. Like when you look at the cargo business, within 18 months, we should have some few vessels flying the ports in Africa. And 5 years, we want to be visible across all the continents, especially taking advantage of the continental